Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Today our topic is how to plan your meals for a healthy diet. So let's start. Planning your meals for a healthy diet is an excellent way to ensure you're nourishing your body with the right nutrients and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you plan your meals effectively. 1. Define your dietary goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your healthy diet. It could be weight loss, weight maintenance, muscle gain, or improving overall health. Understanding your goals will help you tailor your meal plan accordingly. 2. Calculate your calorie needs. Use an online calculator or consult a dietitian to estimate your daily calorie requirements based on factors such as age, gender, height, weight, and activity level. This will serve as a guideline for portion sizes and overall meal planning. 3. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. Include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your meal plan, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other beneficial compounds. 4. Plan your meals in advance. Take some time each week to plan your meals. Create a weekly meal schedule, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This will help you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive or unhealthy options. 5. Consider portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to prevent overeating. Use tools like measuring cups, a food scale, or visual cues, e.g., palm-sized protein, fist-sized carbs, to ensure you're consuming appropriate portions. 6. Include a balance of macronutrients. Your meals should consist of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in appropriate proportions. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins support muscle growth and repair, and healthy fats are essential for various bodily functions. 7. Emphasize whole foods. Choose whole, unprocessed foods over processed options whenever possible. Whole foods are typically less processed and contain more nutrients, fiber, and fewer additives or preservatives. 8. Incorporate variety. Aim for a wide range of foods to ensure you're getting a diverse array of nutrients. Include different fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains to keep your meals interesting and maximize nutritional benefits. 9. Plan for leftovers and meal prepping. Cook larger portions and intentionally plan for leftovers. This can save time and ensure you have healthy meals available throughout the week. Additionally, consider meal prepping by cooking and portioning out meals in advance to help you stick to your plan. 10. Be mindful of special dietary needs. If you have any specific dietary restrictions or preferences, e.g., vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, consider how to accommodate them in your meal planning. Look for recipes and resources tailored to your needs. 11. Monitor and adjust. Regularly assess your progress and make adjustments as needed. Monitor how your body responds to the meal plan and make changes accordingly to optimize your health and achieve your goals. Remember, everyone's nutritional needs and preferences are unique, so it's important to personalize your meal planning to suit your specific requirements. Consulting with a registered dietitian can provide further guidance tailored to your individual circumstances. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.